this is the little like pot pan set I got. I will show you guys the brand later, but it's pretty sweet. Then I got the little stove, which I spent a really long time trying to make a big fire. Epic fail. When I could have just focused on making a very small one, because that's a lot easier. So, right now I'm melting some snow. I gotta go get a little bit more, because it's not gonna be enough. So we're just gonna find a spot where there's like less little specks of things in the ground. Or this looks good here. How about that? Here, fully plop it in. We're boiling. Alright, let that double boil. So, we got our water boiling. Nice and, woo, fogged up. Nice and boily. Perfect. Our snow is boiled. So only way I like snow is boiled. So we're gonna cover that back up, let it get going some more. And this is a giant one. I didn't really want to bring it out for such small cup, but I feel like it should. It's a Stanley French press. This thing's a monster. Totally metal. It's a great press. Heavy duty. If you drop it, it's not gonna break. I've gone through 1,010,000,000 glass presses. So that's the surprise. We're gonna have a cup of camping coffee. Cup of Snow Joe. Thing's pretty impressive. It's my first time using it. Not the first time using this. I use it inside sometimes when my coffee maker is on the fritz. It holds like 32 ounces, but we're not having that much today. We're just having enough for about a cup. It's our coffee. Dark magic. Since it's a little bit of an amount of water, we might have to get that going again. I'm only gonna use like a scoop. Maybe a scoop and a half for good luck. Brought a coffee mug. Ready? It's hot. Just gotta set that and that in the snow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, Nelly. Got grounds everywhere. Okay. let that sit. So it's pretty cold out. It's probably like 30. Good old Michigan. So what we're gonna do, do a nice press. Get all the weird things out of the cup. But if there's any gear you guys like to see one-on-one, make a separate video about it, let me know. This is the 7, and directly across from us on the old shovel stand is the 5. Now they both explode. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, this is nice to hold on to. It's so cold out. Snow Joe. And the good thing about that Stanley, it keeps it really, really, really warm for hours. Like, I can make a cup of, like a pot of coffee in that, go to work, come back, and it's still hot. So, like, take the lid off and it looks like that. Steaming. Mass Adventure 2020. Let's see where we go.